Good morning students, this is class 11th maths lecture 1st of chapter 7th permutations and combinations from book exemplar. We will discuss short answer type questions today. So question number first is 8 chairs are numbered from 1 to 8. 2 women and 3 men wish to occupy 1 chair each. First the women choose the chairs from amongst the chairs 1 to 4 and then men select from the remaining chairs. Find the total number of possible arrangements. Now see, the total chairs are 8 and the total persons are 2 women and 3 men, that is 5. Now total number of arrangements will be, they have given that first women will sit on the chair from the numbered chairs 1 to 4, that is out of 4 chairs there are 2 women, that is out of 4 chairs at a time we just want 2 chairs. Also we have to do the arrangement, right? Order matters here. So out of 4 chairs we have to select 2 and also we have to do the arrangement, so it can be done in 4p 2 ways into. Now see, when the 2 women has seated, now there are 6 chairs left. Out of 8, 6 chairs are left and there are 3 men. So at a time we want 3 chairs and also we have to arrange those 3 men on those 3 chairs. So it can be done in 6p 3 ways, right? Here we are not selecting the chair but we are arranging these persons on the chairs. So for arrangement we use p. Now question number second is, the word Rachit is given. If the letters of the word Rachit are arranged in all possible ways as listed in the dictionary, then what is the rank of the word Rachit? Okay, so according to the dictionary, first of all the words starting with A will come. So I have fixed the first place with A. Now the first place has one option. Now the letters except A are 5 and these are the 5 places. So these 5 letters can be arranged on these 5 places in 5 factorial ways, which is 120. Similarly, then the word starting with C will come. So the word starting with C will also be 120. Then the word starting with H and I will also be 120 and 120, right? Now according to the alphabets, the word starting with R will come and the first word which will start from the R is Rachit. When you will arrange the word starting with the R alphabetically, you will get that the first word starting with R will be this only. So the rank of the word Rachit will be 120 words that will start from A, then from C, then from H, then from I, and then after that the first word with starting with R, that is this word, will come. So the rank of this word will be 480 first, right? Now question number third is, a candidate is required to answer 7 questions out of 12 questions which are divided into 2 groups each containing 6 questions. He is not permitted to attempt more than 5 questions from either group. Find the number of different ways of doing questions. So there are 12 questions divided into 2 parts, 6 questions each part. Student has to attempt 7 questions in such a way that he cannot select more than 5 questions from any part. That is, case first is if he select 5 questions from the first part, then from the second part he has to select 2 questions. Case second is if he select 4 from the first, then from the next he has to select 3 questions. Then case third will be 3 questions from first part and 4 questions from the second part, and case fourth can be 2 questions from the first part and 5 questions from the second part. So there will be only these 4 cases. So this can be done in 6c5 into 6c2 ways. Case second, the number of ways will be 6c4 into 6c3. Similarly calculate for this. Now calculate these values and add the result of these different cases. Then you will get the number of ways of selection of 7 questions. Question number 4th is, out of 18 points in a plane, no 3 are in the same line except 5 points which are collinear. Find the number of the lines that can be formed joining the points. Now see, there are 18 points, out of which 5 points are collinear. Now we have to make a line from these 18 points Now to make a line at a time we want 2 points, right? So it can be done in 18C two ways. That is, out of 18 points we want to select 2 points at a time. But because 5 points are collinear, these 5 points can give us 5C2 lines. But because these points are collinear, now they will give only one line when you will join them, right? So total number of ways will be 18C2. But because these 5 points are collinear, they are not giving us these many lines. So subtract this, that is minus 5C2. But instead of these lines, they will give us only one line. So after subtracting these many cases, we have to plus 1 because they are giving us one line. So we have to add this one case, right? Now calculate this by yourself. Next question number 5th is, we wish to select 6 persons from 8, but if the person A is selected, then B must be selected. In how many ways can selection be made? Now see, there are total persons 8. We want to select 6. They have given if A is selected, then B is also selected. But if A is not selected, then we don't know about B. If A is selected, then B will also be definitely selected. But if A is not selected, we do not know about B. B can either be selected or not be selected. Now case first, if A is selected, then B will definitely be selected. So out of 8%, these 2 persons are A and B, and the rest are 6. Because A is selected, B will also be selected. So these 2 persons are definitely selected now. Plus out of these 6, we will select only 4 because 2 has already been selected. So the number of ways for this case will be out of 2. Both the 2 person is selected in 2. Out of 6, we are selecting 4, which can be done in 6C4 ways. So the result will be 16. Now case second is if A is not selected, right? We do not know about B. Either B can get selected or B can't get selected, right? So out of 8, this one person is A and the rest persons are 7. Now A is not selected. That is, we have to select all these 6 persons from these 7 persons, which can be done in 7C 6 ways, which is 7. So the total number of ways will be add the results of both the cases, that is 16 plus 7, 23. Yes, the result from the case first, which I have told you 16, is actually 15, right? So the answer will be 15 plus 7, 22. Question number 7th is, how many automobile license plates can be made if each plate contains 2 different letters followed by 3 different digits? That is, this license plate has a sequence of 5, at which the first 2 places we have to fill with the alphabets and the next 3 places are to be filled with the 10 digits. Now 2 different letters can be selected in 26. Out of 26 alphabets or 26 letters, we have to select 2 different letters, which can be done in this. But also see, at the first 2 places, these 2 different letters will come. Suppose if I select A and B, so the arrangement can be this also, A at first place and B at second place, or it can be like this also, B at the first place and A at the second place. That is, the 2 selected letters now can be arranged in 2 factorial ways. That is, either it can be done in 26C2 into 2 factorial, or you can directly write it as 26P2, because we are not just selecting these 2 but also we are arranging them. So we will use P, right? Now the next 3 places will be filled by 3 different digits. Digits we know are 10 from 0 to 9. At a time we want 3 and we have to arrange them, so we will use P. So the total number of ways will be 26P2 into 10P3. Question number 9 is find the number of permutations of n distinct things taken are together in which 3 particular things must occur together. Now see, total options we have is n and we have to take r at a time. But because they have said there are 3 particular things which has to be come together, but for that we have to select those 3 particular things. So out of n objects, 3 are those particular things. These are the rest n minus 3 things, right? We have to arrange our objects, but before that we will first select our objects. Now these 3 R objects are compulsory, and from these left n minus 3 objects we will select R minus 3 objects, right? So number of ways of selecting R objects out of n objects, where 3 particular things will always be selected. Then it can be done in 3C3 into out of these we are selecting R minus 3 objects. Now 3C3 is 1. So I am just writing n minus 3 C R minus 3, right? Now see, now we have just selected these R minus 3 items. Now we have selected these R minus 3 objects, and these 3 objects we have also selected which we want that they should occur together. So we will treat these 3 as one letter, and the rest of these R minus 3 objects are also there. So now in total we have R minus 3 plus this object we are treating as 1. So R minus 3 plus 1, that is R minus 2 objects in total, which can be arranged in R minus 2 factorial ways. But because you can see in this one object there are actually 3 objects which can be arranged in 3 factorial ways, right? So number of arrangements will be, first we have selected R objects, 3 particular objects, and rest R minus 3 objects from the n minus 3 objects. And now these R objects can be arranged in R minus 2 factorial into 3 factorial. So the total number of ways will be this. Now question number 10 is find the number of different words that can be formed from the letters of the word triangle so that no vowels are together. So we want no vowels come together. So first of all we will arrange all the consonants in the word triangle, which are T, R, N, G, L. Now these 5 letters can be arranged in 5 factorial ways. If we want that no vowels are together, so we will fill the vowels in these places, that is in between these consonants. So these are 6 places, and vowels in the word triangle is I, A, E, that is 3. And because we have to arrange them, so we will use P. So out of 6 we want just 3 places, because there are only 3 vowels which can be arranged in 6P 3 ways. So when you will solve it, you will get this as the answer, right? Now your homework is you have to do question 11th to 20th of exercise 7.3 from the book NCERT Exemplar.